Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use my FanCam to auto-reframe videos on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up your gallery. Here in the gallery, you definitely want to get a clip with a person that you want to reframe. So for example, I have a clip right here. And to use the My FanCam here, we need to click on the button in the middle. This is our Galaxy AI. Now we open up two options, and we want to definitely open up the second one, so the one on the bottom. Now we want to go and move the seek bar to find a person to follow. Now as you guys can see, it's detecting people in the frame, and as you guys can see, even though there's a person, the person has to be closer. Then you'll just tap on the person and the entire video will be reframed. So it'll be reframed to the point where the entire recording is just focused on one person. So it will definitely be reframed. Here, for example, it will still find a person to follow once you click on them, and then you'll have your results as a copy. So you will have two videos instead of one. And that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.